To access your Spectrum router from your PC, first ensure your computer is connected to your Spectrum network. You can connect via Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Next, open a web browser like Chrome or Firefox on your PC. In the address bar, type your router's IP address. The most common one is 192.168.11, though older models might use 192.168.0.1. You'll need to log in with the router's credentials. Look for a sticker on the back of your Spectrum router. The default username is usually admin, and the password is often Spectrum, followed by some numbers. Enter the username and password from the sticker into the login fields on the web page. Then click the Login button to access your router's admin interface. Once logged in, you'll reach the router's admin dashboard. Here, you can change settings like your Wi-Fi network name and password, set up parental controls, and manage other network options. Once logged into your Spectrum router, the first essential step is to change your default Wi-Fi name and password to something strong and unique. This prevents unauthorized access and protects your network from common attacks. For enhanced security, enable WPA3 encryption if your router supports it. WPA3 uses advanced encryption methods to protect your Wi-Fi connection from potential breaches and provides better protection for multiple devices. Regularly update your router's firmware to patch security vulnerabilities and improve performance. Firmware updates fix known issues and add new features to keep your router secure. If you encounter login issues, try resetting the router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. This restores the router to factory settings, allowing you to set it up again from scratch. As of 2025, Spectrum emphasizes app-based setup through the My Spectrum app, offering zero-touch setup and convenient access. For advanced settings not available in the app, the web interface remains essential for full control.